to delete purchase history on Walmart. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your purchase history on Walmart. So for that, just open your preferred browser and search for Walmart and click on the first link of the website that you will see on the top. And after that, you will be redirected to the official website of Walmart. You just have to sign in or sign up to your account if you don't have an account already. And after that, when you will click on your account section, you will see these options. You can see the option called purchase history, so just click on it. And after that, on this page, you have to mention your email address and the order number that you want to track in order to see the order status and the details of that particular order that you have made the purchase on Walmart. And as you can see that I don't have any purchase history as of now in my account because I haven't purchased anything from Walmart. So if you have purchased things from Walmart, you will have the list of the purchase history of the product that you have bought from Walmart. And on the right hand side of the page, you will have the trash icon. So you just have to click on the trash icon in order to delete the purchase history. So this is basically how you will be able to delete purchase history on Walmart. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.